How's it going, guys? Today we are going to be discussing DJI Action 5 Pro accessories. First things first, you'll need is an Action 5 Pro like so. I use mine all the time for recording on my motorcycle, whether it's off-road, on-road, getting different POV shots under the Jeep, etc. You can find all those videos here as well. Now let's get into it. These products have been sent to us and I have purchased my own set of filters, so I'll let you know what I've purchased and what have been sent to me. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So first things first, we have here is the Fly Mile. This is their tripod. This works for the Action 5, Action 4, and the Action 6 that just got released. It's a quick release tripod. It brings its own little set of quick releases, which is nice because these always go missing. Gives you a cold shoe here on the side, and then this is your adjustment here for your ball head. Let you adjust it straight down, however you'd like it. Like all quick releases, it just has that magnet, snaps in, and you're good to go. All right, what's also a nice feature is you've got this down here. If I can get it to focus, like so. You would push this, and it opens up the tripod legs, like so. Now, bear in mind, it's not a super wide one, but for what's on there, it'll hold. And it also extends, like so. You get a nice extension. Let's see if you can get it in frame. There you go, about 3 feet tall. It's sturdy, as you can see. Comes right back. Lightweight, which is great. And then it also works as a selfie stick, like so. Great product to have. Definitely useful to have it in the fields, whether you're filming yourself POV wise or getting a third person view of yourself from the road, etc. Always great to have a tripod, especially one of this size. You can also put in it has a cold shoe plate here, so you can put it on a microphone or a light when you're filming at night. Moving onwards, probably the most important kit or item in your kit will be a pair of ND filters. These I actually purchased. This is K&F's Concepts ND filter kit. As you can see here, this one ranges from ND8 to ND256, and it does give you a CPL, which is a variable right there. As you can see, I have it on mine here. And what's nice about this one is that you can actually just twist them off. So you grab them here and you spin them. These aren't a clip-on or a suction-on one. These spin and they come off. So they provide security for your lens itself, and security for yourself that you won't lose them out in the field. They won't fly off and they won't get lost. Now, why do you want a pair of ND filters? Let me show you. Your footage will look blown out like this without a filter. Another item that you'd want to have, and I think it's very important because I myself have lost them, I've misplaced them, etc., are the quick release mounts for the either tripod or this one from Fly Mile. I'll show you here. Can actually come down and give you the 2 prongs to put into any GoPro specific mount. These fold down like so and allow you to put in your 1/4 inch. These are great because they're also magnetic, like so, low profile, and you tend to lose them. So what I recommend is stock up. These are from another Amazon brand. I'll tag them below. I don't buy the DJI ones because they're too expensive and I've lost expensive. But I have them like this. I can put them on a tripod, etc., and they work phenomenal. The one from Fly Mile here that was sent to me is made of metal. It's actually sturdy, and it's got this other attachment so that you don't have to do this here. Moving onwards, this one was sent to us from Fly Mile. I've seen a lot of creators use this on Instagram, YouTube, etc., and it's the housing for the Action 5 Pro. And let me go ahead and just show you how it sets up and how you use it. So, as far as setup goes, you're going to want to go ahead and take off this top plate here. It does feature a cold shoe. You can take off this cover. You can put it there as well, whatever you're putting on a light, flash, etc. You then go ahead, let's just separate it from the main body here. So this button, you press it, and here. And then you have this little button here that you either slide down and it opens up. You'll then want to go ahead and just slide it in, like so. It locks in. Now, you can use it like this on its own, and like this, you'll get a ton of protection. It is metal, and it's just another frame. But let's go ahead and continue on. So you go ahead and clip this back on, like so. And then slide in your, this would be your shutter control. And then pretty much how this works is you would have it here. So you can press here and it would take a picture like so. And then you just have a much wider grip on it. This is also nice because, like we all know, when you're hand holding a camera and you're filming, the bulkier it is or the bigger it is, the steadier you can hold it. So if you are hand, granted this has rock steady and it works phenomenal, but this gives you some more grip and allows you to film a lot more stable. And then guys, last but not least, Sonova sent me over this hanging neck mount. This is always great to get you that POV shot, hands-free, have it at chest level almost, so it gives you a viewpoint from your chest. I'll show you how that looks like in just a sec here. Now I know there are hundreds of brands that make these, but everyone makes it a little different, a little bit more, a little thicker, a little sturdier, etc. So this one does not come with the proprietary mount for the Action 5, but we have a solution for this. So we'll go ahead and mount up, and then you just go ahead and put on your camera. This one spins freely, it has clicks, as you can see there. You'll then want to wrap this around your neck, like so. I'll put it on upside down, so is that hands-free, it gives you this POV. So you're able to be like, hey, we're gonna do this. Or hey, look, it's my cup of joe. And move it hands-free without having to reach into anything. So you can just walk around day by day. Here's my computer, Amazon, etc. Works phenomenal. And to release it, you have this button here on top. So guys, that right there would be my pretty much top 5 in accessories. Of course, you want to have batteries and things like that, but that's a no-brainer. If you want to have better footage, higher quality footage, you need ND filters. If you want to be able to film solo, you need a tripod. If you want to mount it to different accessories, you need multiple of the quick disconnect mounts, because this will allow you to just have them already ready on whatever you're mounting. I've got one on a magic arm, I've got one on a suction cup, because I use those particular tools to get me better shots. Overall guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.